How to make a French braid bun. Items you will need: small plastic hair ties, bobby pins, gel, a brush, and hairspray. According to preference, you will start with your hair wet or dry. Begin by combing, brushing, and smoothing your hair. Use gel as needed. Take a section of hair from your bang area to the crown of your head. Separate this small section into 3 smaller sections for your braid. Crisscross the left section over the middle section and the right section over the middle section, and continue the pattern. As you move down the head, you begin to introduce more hair into the braid. Repeat the process as you move down the head, braiding and adding hair. Please note that you add roughly the same amount of hair every time you introduce more hair into the braid. Once all of your hair is introduced into the braid, continue to braid your hair normally. At the end of the braid, secure it in place with a small plastic hair tie. With the excess hair, tuck it underneath the French braid, forming a bun. You can easily secure this in place with a bobby pin. Use hairspray and gel to finish off the bun. Now you have a French braid bun. Young Marines, appearance is a commitment that you make every day. It communicates who you are to everyone that you encounter. Convey confidence and never underestimate the power behind a good bun.